Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the process to loop a video using our device's gallery. So if you're also looking out how to do so, you may follow up these steps for that and you should be able to do it. So for that, you can go to your device's gallery, and once you go to your gallery, you can find the video that you would like to loop. So go ahead and find the video, and once you find the video, you just need to go over and tap on this option of play video. And after you tap on play video, the video should start playing on your screen. Now what you need to do is basically look out for the three dot in the top right corner and select it. Or within your main editing screen, you can directly look out for the loop option and tap on that logo right there. If not, you can look out for the settings option and tap on it. After you select the settings option, you can easily find this option called auto repeat videos. So what you need to do is turn this option on right here. And what it will do is whenever you play the video, it will repeat the video itself about maybe 2 times. You can just go and turn it on, and that should automatically turn off this option right here called autoplay next video. And that is it. If you'd like to turn it off, come here, follow the same settings and just go and turn it off by tapping on it. And that should probably do it. But this is usually it if you'd like to loop a video on your device's gallery. You may follow up this method for that pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.